Today, we're setting the stage for a thrilling comparison between two market leaders, the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Bridgestone Turanza 6. Get ready as we delve into their features and performance to help you decide the best tire for your vehicle. Both tires are revered for their cutting-edge technology and stellar performance. Launched in 2022, the Continental PremiumContact 7 is known for its innovative German engineering, blending comfort, safety, and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Bridgestone Turanza 6, with its unique Japanese design, is optimized for a smooth, quiet ride without compromising on performance. In wet conditions, the Continental PremiumContact 7 shines with its superior braking and handling, evidenced by its impressive A-label EU rating for wet grip. It significantly outperforms the Turanza 6, showing shorter braking distances and higher hydroplaning resistance, making it a go-to for rainy climates. Shifting to dry performance, the PremiumContact 7 continues to dominate, with shorter braking distances and higher lap speeds compared to the Turanza 6. This tire ensures outstanding stability and grip, enhancing driver confidence under sunny skies. The Continental PremiumContact 7 excels in wear, offering a projected mileage of 51,600 kilometers, outperforming the Bridgestone Turanza 6's 40,400 kilometers. This highlights the Continental's superior durability and long-term value for frequent drivers. While the Continental offers unmatched performance, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 takes the lead in comfort. It's notably quieter, significantly reducing road noise, which can be a crucial factor for drivers who prioritize a serene driving environment. In terms of efficiency, the Turanza 6 also excels with superior rolling resistance. This not only boosts fuel economy but also reduces environmental impact, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious drivers looking for sustainability without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, both the Continental PremiumContact 7 and Bridgestone Turanza 6 excel in their respective areas. If performance and safety in wet or dry conditions and mileage are your priority, the PremiumContact 7 is your best bet. For those valuing comfort and efficiency, the Turanza 6 might be the perfect match. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.